Don't look at how many hearts are missing. All right? We're here to learn French, not to look at how many mistakes I make. Actually, go ahead, judge me. I don't care anymore. Oh, we're gonna level up. Let's do it. I don't know if everything's been copacetically decently in order here. It's gonna get intense. All right, let's review it. I can't look at that anymore.
Merci beaucoup, Marie.
Jeez.
Keep that video.
Keep that video. You want to keep that video? Yeah, because she sees me get startled.
Merci beaucoup, Marie.
Why is she yelling at me? Let's turn on the compressor. Try that again. Sorry.
Merci beaucoup, Marie.
Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3.
Merci beaucoup, Marie.
Sorry if that's loud. I don't know what's going on. Merci beaucoup, Marie. Beaucoup. Oh man. Not capital though. Beaucoup. You guys remember that mistake from yesterday's video, right? I was absolutely devastated. I'm turning the compressor on. I'm gonna lower the volume. There we go. It's right there. And then we'll turn it up a couple clicks. There we go. Let's hear it one more time.
Merci beaucoup, Marie.
That sounds better?
Merci beaucoup, Marie.
Merci beaucoup, Marie. All right.
Merci beaucoup, Paul.
Merci beaucoup. It's messy. Merci beaucoup, Paul. So type the English translation. Thank you very much, Paul. Thank you is one word, right? Oh my gosh, I can't remember how do I English? Thank you very much. Oh my gosh. You ever learn so many languages your brain just snaps? Well, that's how I feel right now. Actually, I'm only learning 2 right now and dabbling in Spanish. I just forsook in Spanish. It's just too many languages in my mind, and plus English and tongues of angels and men. Man, my brain hurts. I'm doing very well. And you? Je vais très bien. Okay, ça va très bien.
Bien.
Et toi?
Et toi?
Ça va très bien et toi? Ça va très bien et toi? That's useful, man.
Salut, à bientôt.
Type the missing word. Salut. Salutation. Oh. Oh. Suffering. Suffering. Are you doing well? No. Yeah, you're doing well. You're playing video games. I'm tormenting my mind for the sake of enhancements. Are you doing well? Ça va? Where's the ça? You don't spell S-A-V-A-S. It's with the C, right? Tu vas bien. They never taught me this one. Are you doing well? Is ça va or ça va bien? Ça va bien? Tu vas?
Tu vas.
What is it? Tu vas bien. Well, why can't you just say tu vas? You go? You go, man? Are you going, man?
Merci beaucoup, à bientôt.
I don't want to end the video. What did he say?
Merci beaucoup, à bientôt.
Merci beaucoup. A bientôt. I know how to spell beaucoup now. B-E-A-U-C-O-U-P. Double check. Beaucoup. Let's go. Let's go.
Go.
I'm doing very well. Good for you. Okay, snap out of that negativity. Get into the positive activities of the French. Oui.
Oui.
I am doing very well. Ça va.
Ça va.
Bien.
Bien.
I am doing. It doesn't even say very well. I'm just making up words now. Grasping for straws.
Salut, bonne soirée.
Salut, bonne soirée. So, hello, good evening. Salut. Okay, calm down, Chris. Calm down. Every little thing's gonna be alright. I am doing very well. Merci. Translate it. So, ça va, très bien.
Bien.
Merci.
Merci.
That sounds right. I don't want to end this journey today. Oh yeah, come on.
Au revoir. Bonne soirée.
Take a deep breath. Don't forget to breathe oxygen. Au revoir. Bonne soirée. Type the English. Au revoir. Au revoir. Like goodbye. Have a good night. Right? Goodbye. Have a good evening. Bonsoir. That's what that means, right, guys? Come on, guys. We should do this live with the chat. You guys can learn right along with me. Let me know if you want to do that. We can do that. We can do this.
Bonne journée et à bientôt.
You guys can help me cheat and yell at me if I make something wrong, you know. What did she say?
Bonne journée et à bientôt.
Bonne journée et à bientôt. So, good day and see you later. The person is bonne journée et bientôt and see you tomorrow, right? A bientôt or not tomorrow, but later. Are you doing well? Ooh, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it, man. Are you doing well? So this is informal. Tu vas bien?
Va. Bien.
Right? Tu vas bien? Tu vas bien? That's if you're talking to a kid or your bro, your buddy. Sorry for all the whining. I'm just, oh man. So many problems in my life. We made it. Survived. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Because I don't want to watch the ads.
Let's see it.
Okay, it's going to be loud.